Hello, welcome to Saima's kitchen. As I made here dosas. I tried to make bigger, but I can't. I have only this much, so I tried to make it. Was a little bit hard to make it. It was breaking. So what I did, you can see it's so light. I made full of this bowl, and I used this one. Only this limit, this much. You can see it. This much. What's how I'll show you. And there was garlic. Oh my god, there's no light. This is garlic. Look how it's big. Ginger, garlic, and salt. This is 1 by 2 cup, 1 by 2 cups. This is plantain, and this only this size. You have to use rice. And this is the butter. You can use this one. Spray on the pan. And salt. This is salt. You can use sauce, hot sauce, and it will create you this whole bowl full. I finished it, and I made 4 or 5. Ouch! I made 4 or 5. You see it's breaking, huh? How it is, but it's so delicious. If you have it, if you make it, you will know that you doesn't need anything with it, because there is salt and there is garlic already. Everything is there. So I'm going to eat with omelette. I think so, that I can make it fast. So this is the easiest recipe I made now. You have to keep this mixture 4 to 8 hours, and then you can go to pan for cook. Right? Just try it and show me how it looks, how it had delicious for you or not. It had been delicious for me. It's very easy and very tasty. Thank you for watching.